Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the Booleans and comparison operators section. This is the introduction. Have you ever noticed that hyperlinks change color after you click them? If the link has been clicked, then the web browser renders it in purple rather than blue. The programming concept that makes this possible is called conditionals. This might be a simple example, but conditionals underlie the complex behavior of computer programs from Gmail to Mario games to Microsoft Office. Conditionals make it possible for programs to decide how to react to a wide variety of situations. But computers aren't intelligent. In order for them to make decisions, they have to be programmed with a set of rules to follow. In this lesson, we'll explore how we write programs that can make decisions with conditionals. Our instructions say move on when you're ready to learn more. So in this lesson, we're going to be learning about Booleans, comparisons, Booleans, and comparison operators. It will have to do with conditional logic, and we'll learn more in the next lesson. See you there.
Hey, quick question for you. Are you happy with your current job or career? Do you like to go to work every day and see yourself doing what you're doing right now forever? If not, I'd like to share with you a little bit about the sponsor of this video, the Programmer Coach. The Programmer Coach is an online coding program that helps people learn how to code and get a high-paying job as a software developer. Their program is unique in that they teach you how to code by doing, through practice, which is truly the only way to learn any skill at the end of the day, right? Plus, they provide you with coaches to help you whenever you run into any issues. They also have career coaching and placement services, where they work with you and help you get your first job as a software developer. And the best part, their program is affordable and accessible for anyone and everyone. That's right, you won't pay the bulk of your tuition until you actually land a job as a software developer. To learn all of the details you would ever need and get all of your questions answered, simply go to becomeaprogrammer.com. Becomeaprogrammer.com. Once again, that's becomeaprogrammer.com.